Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this lesson I want to show you guys a bit about X-Force integration with QRadar. So X-Force is basically the central threat intelligence website of IBM. And you can integrate that threat intelligence with QRadar and use it in your detections. So there's a few things I want to show you on how to do it. And the first one would be to go to the admin tab and go to system settings. And you can see here that you have enable X-Force threat intelligence feed. And let's go ahead and set it to yes. And I just want to make sure you guys know that every day it approximately is going to download 30 megabytes of IP data. So if you don't have too much storage, you might want to leave it as disabled. So I'm going to go ahead, click on save, and deploy the changes. And while that deploys, I want to show you the second way we can interact with X-Force. And that way is already built in, so you don't have to do anything special for it. We can go ahead and select one of our source IP or destination IP that we want to check. We can go ahead and right-click it. And if we go to more options and then plugin options, I can see that I have X-Force Exchange Lookup. So I can click that button, and then a pop-up window opens, and I am directed into X-Force Exchange with the IP that I've selected and some threat intelligence information about it. So you can do that directly from your QRadar deployment. And the third way to interact with threat intelligence with X-Force is directly from our detections, right? So if I go to Use Case Manager and I create a new detection, I can go ahead and type in X-Force, right? And I get that when this host property is categorized by X-Force as, we can choose anonymous proxy, botnet command and control server, dynamic IP, malware, and with the confidence value equal to, let's say, greater than 7. So if my if my source IP, for example, is categorized by X-Force as a malware with a confidence value of greater than 7, then I want to create an alert, right? And I can also use when any custom property, in this case the default is URL, is categorized by X-Force as one of these categories, I can also generate an alert. So you can also do that directly from the use case manager or when you create a new detection. And after we have enabled X-Force threat intelligence feed, what's going to happen is we're going to see new reference sets in the next polling window. I'm not sure when that happens, but if you pay attention to your reference sets, you're going to eventually see some new ones being created here, and that's because we enabled the threat intelligence feed. And just to remind again, this approximately takes about 30 megabytes of storage every day. So make sure that you're okay with it. And yeah, those have been 3 ways we can work with X-Force threat intelligence. And in later video I have planned, I am going to show you how we can install IBM's threat intelligence application and work with that. So this has been it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.